Hello, to change icon's shape on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then scroll down and go into themes, and right here you can take a look at all the icons on the different themes. If you want, for example, if you like the icons on this theme, you have to download this theme, and let me show you on the already downloaded theme. You have to go into my account, go into themes, and from here you go into the theme that has icons that you'd like to have, and now you have to press customize, and you have to unselect these three options and leave only icons selected and press apply. And now, as you can see, we have icons. In our previous theme we have changed the icons to the icons of this theme from here. So basically that's how you change the icon's shape. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.